Good morning, guys! Ito si Georgie kumakain ng breakfast, tapos tayo magkakape. At ngayon off namin, no? Ganda ng weather, maaraw ngayon. May titingnan daw si sir na sapatos, dahil isa niyang sapatos is luma na sapatos pa niya yun from Dubai. Kaya sabi ko kagabi na sige, punta tayo ng mall. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano dito, indoor shop, yung mall sa atin, tawag na dito the mall. Padalahin ko kayo sa the mall. Ayan, kape tayo. Tapos syempre tayo mag-window shopping tayo pag may magustuhan. Pero honestly, meron talaga akong gustong bilhin. Although meron naman ako, kaya lang gusto ko lang ibang taste. Not taste, basta iba siya. Mamaya. So, ayan, ready na kami, guys. So, ito yung ating outfit. Ano ba? Manang na manang. Sabi ni Georgia, yung trousers ko daw pang Hawaiian. Di ba pwede pang summer lang? Ayan. So, update ko kayo, ha. Punta tayo ng mall. The mall. Dito na tayo, guys. Ayan, mabilis lang kasi walang traffic dahil Sunday. Come on, love. Okay. Wait, stay there. So, maybe, Georgie, we're gonna go play first? You wanna play first?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
So, ito yung the mall, guys. Ayan. Maano lang siya, mahaba ba? Malaki din.
In the park for 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Yeah, let's take her upstairs to the...
Hoy, pabuyag. Unsa man na siya, eh. So, ito na yung play area sa labas ng mall, guys. Pero minsan nagsiset up sila ng sandpit pag ganitong weather. Sige. Oh, wow.
With one hand, one foot.
Galing ah.
One hand, one foot.
You work it out now, Georgie. I know. Wow. How will you get down?
Now climb over.
No.
Go on, climb.
Takutin talaga to. Para talaga sa akin.
All right.
That's the only way.
Takot sa height din eh.
No.
Walk on this one and hold this one.
Yeah. Sige nga. Turn around.
It's all right. You've got to learn. Go on, skimmy down. Yeah. Well, once you get that far, you hold the post. Not yet. Right. Hold the post. Go round.
Pasok na kami, guys. Pinalaro lang namin si Georgie saglit. Kasi gusto dali ni daddy si Georgie sa play area sa taas. Para doon kami magkape din. So ito yung booths, guys. Lahat nandito na. Pabango, pampabeauty, makeup. So parang Watson sa atin. Which way, daddy? Which way? Ayan na. Sige yung kabila. So, ito yung parang food court nila. Kunti lang. So, mamaya busy. Wild Things pala, play project doon para dadalhin ni Dada si Georgie.
Hello. Oh wow.
What are you doing? Oh, you got chalk.
Oh, it's a big chunky. Look.
I know.
Big chunky.
Go on, who's first? Oh, here she goes. Watch out, Georgie. Think about it. Georgie. No. Wait. Think you got to get 4 in a row. No. Where can there be 4 in a row? Look where there could be 4 in a row. Woohoo! Georgie just won.
Where?
Diagonally, 4 in a row.
I don't
You
see
just
that.
beat Mummy.
I didn't see that. Galing ka.
Don't let her get 4 in a row, Georgie. No, you just let her get 4 in a row.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, and if you don't put one on top of that, she'll get another 4.
Why are you teaching her? I got another one.
Oh, Mummy got another one. Yeah, Mummy's one. She's got 3.
Oi, stop playing like that. No, play like properly. I got another one.
Because you're not thinking, Georgie. You're just chucking them in. That's it.
I win. Daddy having cheese and ham. And I'm having sausage roll. Talagang Georgie, oh.
Snack till we get home, see?
She's wearing her Pandora. Did she show it to you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Pandora bracelet, no? Kasya na sa kanya. No? Does it feel heavy for you? And I'm wearing mine as well, Giorgio. Okay. Gusto niya pakita yung mag-slide daw siya. Ah. Oh my God. Oh dear. Is it painful? Oh. Make a wish, girl.
Don't tell anybody you wish or it won't come true.
Nagpabili ng tubig, guys. £1.25. Ang mahal.
There's Pandora.
Pandora is that way.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna throw you in.
Oh, she's gonna spill the water, no? Silly daddy. The secret. Nauna na si Georgie. Oh, ayaw na talaga ito magpahawak. No, we're going to Skechers first. And
We'll have a look
Pandora.
in Pandora. No, it's
Go inside. Pasok kami Pandora, guys. Tingnan namin kung may new collection. From 120.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August.
That's 38. See, this is what I got. Oh, it's a soft bango.
Yeah, you got a soft bangle. George's got a hard bangle.
That's 60.
George's got a hard bangle.
And this one comes with the spring, like mine.
Yeah.
Because if you pay separately, that's 35. So
Yeah.
you save £5.
Yeah.
Set 120.
Get one.
Huh?
Well, because that's not going to be over £65, over £69, is it?
No, I don't believe so.
So you're going to have to buy another charm to get you over £69.
Okay.
Then you'll get that one for free.
Okay.
So you need a charm for your bracelet.
I don't know which one. How
When you
about...
get your birthstone.
Of course, last time we only got
I think I got my birthstone. It won't...
So basically, you want to buy that one and that one,
Yeah.
and get that one for free.
Free, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, you happy with
Okay,
that?
that one?
Now you have to remember that that one is coming out of your money box. Yeah. Okay. You give mummy the money when we get home, because mummy's paid.
Yeah. You want to take that off so you can put your new one?
We can
Huh?
put it in a little box for us.
Ah, okay,
You want it in a
okay.
box?
Yeah, put in
You
the
wanna
box
put it on
first.
that?
No, put in the box.
Okay.
So you can do unboxing.
Last time I got a unicorn for daddy and the
Fancy?
Yeah, well, they stopped doing the unicorns. I had to buy it online.
I like that.
Yeah, I had to get it online because they've discontinued. but that's in the
It's like a trend as well.
that's in the 80s.
270 for half a day. But
Ay, show me what you bought. Pandora. How much you owe mommy? How much you owe mommy?
No idea.
No idea.
Wait, don't tell me how much I have to pay you.
You have to pay me
$100.
100. So, pasok kami sa Skechers para mag-check ng shoes for daddy. Oh, look at that. Ah, they got slip-on, Georgie.
Oh, look at these.
Slip-ons. What's this one?
Well, you can cut all of these ones. Wait, no,
Huh?
you can cut all of this. Oh, my God.
This one is the slip-ons.
And this one, see?
You want the pink one? Oh, no, no, no. Look at this, Georgie. Oh, look at this. Fancy black. This is good for your PE. Yeah?
Where, which one?
Of course, we pick your size, no? That's small. We pick your size. So, after namin mag-Skechers, guys, bumili si Mr. ng sapatos niya. Si Georgie, gusto sana niya magpabili kaya lang. Sabi namin, next time na lang. So, ayan, papunta ako ng, Victoria's Secret. Tapos si Georgie at si Daddy pabalik na ng sasakyan. So, patsok tayo sa Victoria's Secret. Hindi siya busy, guys. I'm surprised they're not busy. Ganda ng cotton, oh. So, punta tayo. Bili ako lotion. That's Island Rush. It's a shimmer one. So, ayan guys. Uwi na kami. So, yung hindi mo asahan na makapapagastos ka ba. Pero okay lang. Paminsan-minsan lang to. Medyo matagal din kami hindi nakapag shopping galore. Salamat po. Salamat po. Ayan. So, uwi na kami para makaluto ng pagkain. Dinner. Kasi hindi kami nag-lunch eh. Snack lang kami. Yes. Why you making a face? Sa bahay na kami guys. So ayan, napabili tayo. So si Mr. bumili ng sapatos niya. Tapos bumili din ako ng lotion. Tsaka body spray. Ayan.
I'm in Chicago.
Tapos si Jordi, yun nga, bumili kami sa Pandora. So, napagastos tayo, so okay lang yun. Kasi bihira lang yun, yan ang sabi ko. So, ito yung nabili ko sa guys, sa Victoria's Secret. Ito, namiss ko to yung amoy na to eh. Kasi naalala ko nung bago pa ako nakapag-asawa ng AFAM. Ito yung first na pabango na nabili ko na afford. Kasi mahal to sa Pinas, diba dati? 600 pesos yata to yung spray. Ito, popular to dati eh. Orange pa ang kulay nito. Dati, orange pa ang kulay. Ngayon, change nila yung packaging. Tapos parang nilisen nila yung mixture. Kasi hindi na siya ganun katapang yung amoy ba. Dati kasi ang bango talaga nitong Amber Romance, guys. So, bumili ako nito kasi for 40 pound. Tapos, tatlong ganito. Kasi marami pa kasi akong spray. So, bumili lang ako ng lotion. Kasi, para nakatipid tayo.
We're in Italy.
Mas mura to sa Dubai compare dito sa sa UK. Mas mahal dito eh. Pero anyway. Kasi ako guys, perfume addict ako ba? Kahit meron pa ako, collection. Nagngungulekta ako ng pabango. Kasi depende kasi sa mood ko kung anong i-spray ko ba. natin, no? Yan yung collection ko. Ayan. Ayan guys, so nabuksan natin yung Victoria's Secret. Tapos ngayon, buksan natin yung Pandora charm na nabili namin. So, napapabili kami biglaan eh. Kasi sinuot kasi ni Georgie yung Pandora niya eh. Goodbye kasi if you spend 69 pound over, may free charm ka. So, napili ni Georgie is ito yung sa akin pala Capricorn charm. Puno na yung ano ko eh. Siguro ilipat ko yung ano ko. Ibang charm sa kay Georgie. Kasi may story kasi. Itong bracelet na to. Ang kagandahan kasi sa Pandora, you can create story with your bracelet. So anyway. So yung nabili natin na Capricorn na charm. Hindi ko alam kung magkano yan. Basta nabayaran ko is 90 pound. Tapos, ito yung napili ni Georgie, dog. Awang ko sa batang yan. Ayan yung dog. Ayan. Ayusin natin yung ano niya. Suot pa niya yung Pandora niya eh. Tapos, ang free is birthstone ni Georgie na August. No? So, goodbye na siya kasi kung bibilhin mo siya on its own, ano siya eh, 35 pounds. So, goodbye na no. Goodbye. So, parang papatak na 30 pound each charm. So, 3,690. Ganun din, no? But anyway, mahal kasi yung ano, tawag nito, yung dog. Dog is 45 yata. Ayan lang ating nabili, guys. Tapos yung mag-ama ko, nag-booking, bumili ng bread and milk sa Sainsbury. Maligo muna ako, tapos mamalansya kasi ang dami pa naming plantsahin. Kasi last time semester yun na malansya eh, nung day off niya nung Tuesday. So ngayon, mamalansya ako, tapos magsalang ako ng labahin kasi pag Sunday, mas mababa ang singilan ng tubig at saka kuryente. So, before 4 o'clock, kailangan gawin na lahat yung mamalansya, magluto ka mag-batch cooking ka, tapos maglinis ka ng bahay, mag-vacuum, yan. So gamitin mo na lahat ng ang tawag nito, mga electrical thing, mag-charge ng phone kasi mababa ang singilan ng kuryente. Yun ang sabi ng ng British Gas. And may nabili akong papaya, guys. Ito, from Brazil. Kasi sabi nila, yung papaya seeds, marami daw benefits. So, itabi natin yung seeds niya. Sa atin kasi tinatapon na yung seeds ba, di ba? Ayan, konti lang yung seeds niya. Tanggalin natin. Huwag itapon, no. Sa atin kasi tinatapon eh. Marami tong benefits to eh. So, ayun na yung natin. Tabi natin yan. So, ito lang yung natin noon na na papaya. Kainin natin. Tikman natin kung matamis. Matamis. Tama lang pagkainog. Sarap din ito pag yung medyo yung hindi pa super hinog ba. So, naalala kabataan ko, yung kapitbahay namin, pag wala kaming snack, manguha kami ng kapayas or papaya sa kapitbahay namin. Uso naman yun, di ba? Yung part naman na sa ating growing up, yung manguha ng prutas na hindi atin. So anyway, manguha kami tapos balatan kahit hilaw na hilaw, sasarabin sa suka at asin. Ay, ang sarap. Yung kanina pala yung sa Pandora, kasi gusto ni Georgie ng Pandora. So sabi namin, you have to pay us back. So ganito kasi yan, guys. Dito kasi sa England, habang bata pa sila, maaga na sila tinuturuan na na maging responsible, lalo sa pera. Hindi sila, kahit bata pa sila tinuturuan na wag maging depende sa magulang. Kung may gusto sila, dapat nila pagtrabahuan o they have to earn it. So anyway, yung pera kasi ni Georgie, yun yung mga bigay din namin or bigay ng tita niya or birthday gift, iniipon namin. So pag may gusto siya, hindi talaga namin as in binibigay agad. So talagang may sige, if you want it, use your own money. Bukod na lang pag gusto talaga namin, kami na ang magbabayad. Pero pag hindi talaga yung kailangan, necessity ba, yung parang pagluho, kahit mayroon na siya, tapos gusto pa niya ng panibago, yun, kailangan, pera niya yung gagamitin. So, what you can do now, because we're home, how much you owe mommy?
$100.
Kasi nung sa bakasyon kami, nagpabili kasi siya. What's that stuff that you asked me to buy on holiday? Last holiday.
I forgot.
I can't remember. So anyway, so
You
you...
just want the prizes and all.
I know. No, I'll give that to you. Just pay me back the cost of the Pandora.
Yeah.
The rest, I just give it to you. Because I love it.
it.
No, just pretend that it's a gift for you because you're being good girl at school. It's your prize. But this time, it's a puppy dog. It's 55, Georgie. That puppy dog is 55 pound.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you have to give mommy back 55. Yeah.
I don't have 55.
Check your
I got $100.
Then 100 minus 55. Of course you got 55. Dali na.
I'm just kidding. I got 55. That's how much I have in my money bank.
That's it. Okay, go get it now. So anyway,
But I need
guys,
my whole money bank.
kahit nga nung
I'm gonna have this.
sige. Kahit nga nung naka-duty ako, guys, naririnig ko nga sa sa customer namin na may dalang bata. Sample lang to ha. Yung anak niya, mayroong 5 pound budget. Ngayon, yung bata, gusto pa ng gusto ng pagkain na more than 5 pounds. So sabi ng daddy niya na, no, you only have 5 pounds, so kailangan ang bilhin mo din is worth 5 pounds. Hindi pwede mag-exist ka niyan. Kung gusto mo niyan, wait lang laba, kung gusto mo niyang more than 5 pounds, I'll pay the rest for that and then you have to pay me back when we get home. So, ganun talaga sila tawag nito, ka-disiplinado pagdating sa sa pera. Habang bata pa, maaga talaga sa minumulat ba pa. Uy, no, do not show that one. So, yan. So, ganun din kami kay Georgie hanggat kaya namin. Kami naman kasi, tawag nito, bilang magulang kasi, tsaka nag-iisang anak. Pag kaya binibigay namin.
This.
Yeah. Okay, sige. May papakita daw siya, may share daw siya. What is that?
This is my money box. I will not show you all of this part because it's private. My mom just said not to do it, so open.
Open it.
Please perform face recognition.
So, ayan na guys. Binayaran ako ni Georgie. Thank you, love. Yan.
I just need to put the other.
Bili ko na lang ito ng grocery namin. So, yun lang po ang ating videos for today. Thanks for watching, guys. See you to our next video. Bye-bye!